everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Ruchika and today here I am at Westin Kolkata Rajarhat, and in this big, huge, amazing hotel I have bought this presidential suite. Yes, and the number of this suite is 3004, which is rare to find, which is at the 30th floor. Actually this hotel has 31 floors and this is at the 30th floor of the hotel. So now I am taking you for a round of my presidential suite, which I am really liking a lot. So when you enter, you will get to see this huge living room, which is not as huge as my hands, but even far and more. Yes, so now I think you must have seen the full view. And this starts with this workstation. And you must be thinking why this room is so well lit. So first of all, I would show you the windows. The size of the windows are so big that they give you the mesmerizing view of the city. Yes, this is New Kolkata, which is still being constructed. And you can see a lake there, this green patch, and the busy roads. So now let's get into this workstation area. Yes, here I would show you that they have put this welcome note for me, this beautiful bouquet of roses, definitely some chocolates, fruits and cookies. So working here in this area would really give me a feeling of busyness and luxury together. So I'll enjoy my work sitting here and doing. Here I can see that they have also kept some amazing books related to all the different topics and areas of interest. So I would definitely read at least one or two of them. I will find the choice of mine. So with this, I would show you that they have also put some things like cookies and nuts here so that I can enjoy them. And the sofa here and the chairs are really in unison. Absolutely beautiful. Yes, you can see the look is amazing. And the carpet not to be missed. With this, you can see this television. And again from here you can have the same beautiful view of this, which completes this living room and gives you the feel of enjoyment. Sitting and spending your day here with your loved ones. Definitely you can come with your friends as well. So now let's go to the other part of this living room, which is the dining area. So this huge dining table is there, which is already laid, and just the food is to be brought here if I want it to be in my room. Now with this I would show you this kitchen area. It has a tabletop and chairs for the comfort. This also has this butler entry, which is used by the butler whenever it is required. They need to get inside in the morning or evening, late night, to bring tea or coffee or something. It has a refrigerator. And this washing area. These are the storage areas. This is a dishwasher, kettle, coffee maker, microwave, hob, chimney, and in these cupboards we also have the cutlery whenever we want to use them. So altogether everything of basic need we get here in the kitchen, which makes the kitchen more accessible for everyone. Now I would take you to my bedroom, which is at the other end of this living area.
Explore right to yours.
This is my bedroom, which is more attractive. Why? Because the bed it has. The bed is really so comfortable and absolutely beautiful. Yes, the room is so well lit because I have removed the curtains. I have opened them. From here also you can have the look of the city and enjoy. Sitting here and talking with my friends over phone is really a great experience. So with this, I'll take you to the washroom. And the excitement of this washroom is this amazing jacuzzi. Yes, I'm going to enjoy this. And ouch, you can enjoy the view from here as well. So it makes the washroom absolutely well lit. And here is the shower cabin with overhead shower and hand shower, and the basic amenities which are required inside. And here also they have kept all the basic things, all the amenities which we can use. And here is the WC, which is big enough in size. And whenever we are going to the hotel, we always carry big luggage with us. And where to store that? Because that is the thing which really makes the room look little upsetting. So they have also provided a big storage area which has cupboards and shelves to keep our luggage. I have already put 5 to 7 luggage here. And because I have come here with my family, so one bedroom was not enough. So there is one more interconnected room which I have got for my family. So I would like you to to see that as well. So let's walk and enjoy the luxury of walking in this residential suite.
Amazing adventure.
So walking is amazing when you are in a beautiful suite. So everything, each and every light and the chandelier gives you a different feel. So this is the room. This is a twin bedroom, which is very comfortable and well arranged. All the things, amenities you will see are very nicely placed. Dustbin is there, television is there. Yeah, definitely this storage area is there. Right. The mini bar things are there inside. Yeah, the chairs are there, we can sit. And this is the washroom. Yeah, this washroom does not have a jacuzzi but has a bathtub. And the wash basin, and again, shower cabin is here. The size is really good. So, let's come out of this. There is one more thing which I would like to show you all. For that, yes, this is the powder room for the guests who are coming to meet me in this residential suite. I don't want everybody to come and use my personal washroom, so this is the great help. And now finally, this is the time when you should know what actually all this magic is about. Yes, the tariff you must be thinking about. The tariff of this presidential suite is 2 lakh rupees per night. But did I really pay that much? No, I'm not going to pay that much because I have got it as an upgrade. And this upgrade I have got because I am an ambassador elite member of Marriott. And when we reach this stage, we get the upgrades. And it is not difficult for you also to get all these, because I will tell you, teach you and explain you how to get all these luxuries in your life as well. That is the only purpose you should know, and make your life worth living. So please keep on following me and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.